sipping on my coffee. Figured we'd go through kind of what's on the agenda for today. I have my first and only final of 5th year today. As of 4 p.m. today, I'll be a university graduate, which is crazy and it doesn't feel real, and like I don't really know how to feel about it. I think that's part of the reason I was anxious yesterday. It's just like I don't know how to feel about it. Like normally like I'd go out for dinner with Matt, or you know, we'd celebrate, but yeah, so I'm trying to make the most of it. So I have that at 2. It's my only final I'm writing because finals were optional. And then I ordered some stuff off Amazon to organize my room. And it said delivery date of May 1st, which is fine. I understand it's not essential, but it's shipped. I got an email saying it's shipped, so it's coming today. So I guess we'll just organize my room, and then I want to like just do a deep clean and like put away my winter stuff. I want to organize my mugs, and I want to go through my underwear. So that's kind of like today. Today's just gonna be a big organizing day. I have a video to upload. But yeah, so I figured I'd bring you guys along with me and sipping on my little oat milk latte that I tried to make, and maybe clean my car out too. I've got my coffee. We're working on my coffee, and I'm gonna edit this video just because I want it to go up today, and I normally upload around like 11 or 12. So I'm gonna get this done and then upload it, because like uploading videos literally like Christmas Day. I love reading comments, so I'm going to work and then for the next little bit and get that done. And then I also need to check my work emails. It's 12:25. We are still editing. I just filled up my water and I grabbed some breakfast. I've been intermittent fasting, which I loved, so I just broke my fast. My mom's been making a ton of homemade bread, so I'm just having some toast with some butter. I found a friend. Are you gonna keep me company during my exam? Are you gonna keep me company? Mission is I have this cute little letterboard, and I just want to change it up so I can take a cute grad picture after. So I haven't decided what I want to do yet, but I've been kind of going through some on Pinterest. We're going through some on Pinterest, and I don't know which one I like. I like this Winnie the Pooh one that says a grand adventure is about to begin, or step 1 graduate, step 2 take over the world. I really like that. I think I had some more. My letters out, and I'm just gonna change this before my final. Just finished my little board. I think it's so cute. I need to put an exclamation point here, I think, but I just finished it and I love it so much. I'm gonna make myself another coffee before my final and just get like myself set up and everything. Fred is here taking a nap, but that's my little update. Nothing really much has happened. I just uploaded a video, so I love doing that. It's like uploading videos like my favorite. It's literally Christmas morning to me, so that's my update. About to write my final. I don't know how to feel. Like I don't really feel any different, honestly. I just feel like I have another semester. Like it doesn't feel like this is the last final, you know, but yeah. Said in past vlogs, I've been keeping a to-do list going even during all this, just to keep myself on track. This is actually like my little work notebook. I use this for work to-dos, but I actually have been liking having just like a separate little book to do to-do list in. So what have I done this morning so far? I did that, I did that, I did that, I did that, did that, and then did that. So basically I just have to like write my final, and then I want to like purge some stuff and clean up. So that's my plan. But this is like only if my Amazon stuff comes today. If not, it'll just be in a different vlog. I'm about to write my final, so I just went and grabbed my textbook. I'm so nervous. I don't know why. And as you guys saw, I made myself a little iced coffee. This is just the Joffrey's iced coffee from Disney. This is a carrot orange. They're like super sweet, and if you can tell, they're kind of pink. So I just cut myself an orange, and then obviously a protein bar. That's gonna be my little snack before lunch until I write my final. But wow, guys, this is so surreal. Like I'm about to be done undergrad. Okay guys, I I just finished my long answer and I'm about to hand in my exam. Oh my god. Guys, I am officially done. And it doesn't feel any different, honestly. I'm not really that excited or anything. Like, it feels the same. What the heck? Anyways, I'm done undergrad. What the heck? Hi, hello. Just got the Amazon package and I figured we'd open it together. So I got these little interlocking bins for my drawers. I got an 8-pack and I got 2 of them. So I don't know if I'm gonna need all 16, but I got that. I didn't realize it would be sparkly, but whatever. It's just a little jewelry organizer. I'll show you guys my drawer after, but it's so bad. So it just has like some stuff to put earrings on just because I don't have a lot of jewelry, so I figured this could be pretty useful. So I got that. It'll be nice when I travel, but just in general, it's a little electronic organizer. So it just has like a bunch of like little compartments and stuff. See the status of my electronic drawer. And then this is what my jewelry drawer looks like. It is literally awful, so I need to organize that. First things first, I keep all my summer clothes under my bed. So I'm just going to go put these in my closet and then put my winter clothes in here. Winter clothes have been packed away. Desk is so clean. You guys saw how ugly it was before, so I'll give you guys a tour. So this used to be my random drawer, and now it's my electronics drawer. I love it. It's still a little dirty, but it's fine. I got my work laptop, my laptop razor, my passport, and then work stuff, home stuff, iPhone stuff, and then like these are just all batteries and memory cards. This is actually empty. And then this just is all of my like random paperwork and stuff. The drawer, and I just have this as my random drawer now, but look how much more organized it is, y'all. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I got meds, random pens and stuff. Most of it's in my pencil case. Gum, random knickknacks, extra car keys, extra cards, lip balm. In the back here I just have my Pandora bracelet and then some IBS relief stuff. And then in here, just like my extra makeup. I bring my makeup back and forth with me because I flip between Matt's and my parents. So this just has any nail polish, extra makeup. Like these are my summer shades of foundation. And then some hand sanitizers, makeup wipes. It's my little hair drawer. Just some spots for bobby pins finally. And then this, I've shown you guys this before. It's just like my random stuff. But I'm so happy with how it turned out. Guys, I think we might check everything off. Did that, did that, did that, did that, did that, did that. Everything off the to-do list. A few PJs at Walmart. I'm going to change into them just because it is already 8 o'clock. Holy crap. So I'm going to change into my PJs. Get comfy. Everybody, it is actually the next day. What day is it? It's Wednesday. I'm just editing this vlog now and realizing I never actually ended it. So that's that. But It's currently 7. I am just laying in bed. I'm, like I said, just editing this video. I worked today and work wasn't bad. It was a pretty good day actually. Honestly, I just get crazy headaches from wearing a mask. So I just feel like crap every single day, honestly, but I downloaded a new book to read, which I'm really excited about. Oh, I just wanted to show you guys that like not every day is going to be super productive in quarantine. I'm literally sitting in bed and I literally am going to read all night, and I'm totally okay with that. So not every day is perfect. I'm actually working from home tomorrow, which I'm really excited about, and I'm going to film a morning routine, so stay tuned for that. I just downloaded this book today that I'm really excited to read. It's about a wife whose husband was in an accident and they think she did it, so I'm really excited to read this. That's my little update. I think I might paint my nails tonight too, just because I do have to be on like conference calls and stuff tomorrow. But if you guys enjoyed, let me know if you guys want to see like more home organization videos, Amazon hauls. I would love to do that for you guys. I'm really obsessed with Amazon right now and making my room really nice and a comfy, happy space. So let me know if you guys want to see more like organization videos, because I can definitely do more of those. Subscribe if you're not already. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.